Hey everyone, and welcome back in another video. If you have been wondering how can you save locations in Google Maps, you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you in a very easy and clear method how can you do exactly that. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open Play Store or App Store depending on what device you're on. Let's search for Google Maps and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can finally quit the store and let's head out to Google Maps. So once we open Google Maps, let's go ahead and choose a location that we want to save. Just drag the map to that location. Let's maybe choose a location in Germany. Just keep zooming into that location. So go ahead and zoom into that location, and then let's make sure it is close enough, just like that. Let's say I want to save a location here. What I need to do, first we need to go ahead and long tap on that location. So after long tapping on it, tap on save in the bottom right there. So once you tap there, you'll be taken here. You can choose a label from these ones, or you can tap on new list at the top right here to create a new one. Then from here, give it a name. I'm just gonna name it next step. You can keep it private or set it as shared or public in the bottom on these options right here. You can tap on the emoji face in the map right there at the top to change the emoji if you want. And then once you're done, tap on create in the top right corner. And just like that, you have saved that location. I'll show you where can you find it if you need it. Go ahead and tap on saved locations in the bottom right here. And from there, you find it at the top right here. This is your saved locations. As you can see, guys, here is the location that I have saved. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.